Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. All right, so solving inequalities with addition and subtraction. So we're solving inequalities. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what number, so J is a number, minus 13 is left hand less than 2. So what number minus 13 is less than 2? So there's obviously a bunch of numbers. So let's try and figure that out. So the way to do that is we just solve it. So the opposite of subtracting 13 is, adding 13. So negative 13 plus 13 is 0. And so this is less than 2 plus 13, which is, 15. So anything less than 15 is going to get me the answer. So let's graph that in the number line. So put 15 in the middle, then put some numbers to the right and some numbers to the left. And less than, so it's not equal to 15, it's less than 15. So let's try this out. Let's put a number that's less than 15. Let's do 14. Does that work? Put 14 here. 14 minus 13, is that less than 2? 14 minus 13 is 1, and 1 is less than 2. That works. Good. But 15 doesn't work, because 15 minus 13 is not less than 2, because 2 is not less than 2. So anything less than 2, so 13 would work. 13 minus 13 is 0, is less than 2. Yeah. So that makes sense. So any number that's less than 15 would work for this inequality. Cool. Let's try another one. Number 2. So what would be some number minus 6 has to be, that's not left hand, so that's greater than or equal to 12. So if some number minus 6 has to be greater than or equal to 12. Well, I know 100 would work, because 100 minus 6 is definitely greater than 12. But what other numbers would work? Let's see. Add 6, add 6. So this is 0, so F, don't put equal sign, make sure you just copy the inequality down, is greater than or equal to 12 plus 6, which is 18. So any number that's greater than or equal to 18 would work for this inequality. So put 18 in the middle, get some bigger numbers, get some smaller numbers, like that. Greater than or equal to. So 18 actually works, so that is a solution. So I fill in the circle, and anything greater numbers are to the right. All right, let's practice one. Let's see what we got one. Let's choose 20. Would 20 work? 20 minus 6, is that greater than or equal to 12? 20 minus 6 is, 14. That's bigger than 12. Got it. Does 18 work? 18 minus 6, is that greater than or equal to 12? 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 is not greater than 12, but 12 is equal to 12, so that works. So anything 18 or bigger works. Got it. All right, what happens if it's backwards? Oh my goodness. So all this stuff works when the variable is on the left. In this case, the variable is on the right, so I'm going to flip it. So on this side, I see e plus 4. And on this side, I see 14. So Pac-Man, right here, chomp chomp, is eating the e plus 4. So I have to keep the Pac-Man, chomp chomp, eating the e plus 4. So that has to stay the same. So I just flip the inequality. So I switch the left and the right, and I flip the inequality. And this is the same thing. I'm not making a difference. It's the same thing. It's just rewritten a little bit better. So now it looks like the one's up here, and it's easy to solve. So what number plus 4 is greater than 14? All right, let's see. Minus 4, minus 4. So E is greater than, copy that down from there, 14 minus 4, which is 10. So 10 here. Write some numbers bigger, write some numbers less. So E has to be greater than 10, but not equal to. So open circle, because 10 is not a solution. There we go. And so any number works. So let's try one. 11, for example. Does 11 work? I don't know. Let's plug in the original. So 14 is left hand less than 11 plus 4. Is that true? That would be 14 is less than 11 plus 4 is 15. Yeah. 14 is less than 15. Yeah, that works. Good. So I could plug it in here. I could have plugged in there. I get the same answer. Cool. All right, now number 4, you try it. Try and rewrite it. Ready, set, go. All right. So take the G minus 2 right here, and take the 4. Pac-Man is eating the 4, and so Pac-Man still has to eat the 4. So I'm just taking the symbol and I'm flipping it like that. Okay, so now I have the variable on the left. Now I'm good to go. G minus 2 is less than, left hand, or equal to 4. Cool. All right, what numbers fit this inequality? Let's add 2. So G is less than or equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6. All right, let's graph it. 6 in the middle, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4, 3, or equal to, so I shade in the circle, and less than, the numbers less than are to the left. All right, let's pick a number, 4, whatever. So let's see. 4 is greater than or equal to, so that's not left hand, that's greater than, 4 minus 2, is that true? Let's put 4 in here. 4 is greater than or equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2. Yep, that works. Good, got it. I could plug it in here. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 is less than 4. Got it. Nice job, everybody. Work on that practice. Great job. Welcome back.